Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to learn how to create holes in cylindrical faces. Go to the features and select the hole wizard option. Select the type of holes you want to create and then go to the position. After that you have to select the location of cylindrical face where you want to create the holes. You can create a multiple holes on the cylindrical face. Go to the type, you can select the holes type based on your requirement. Then you can define the size of hole and depth of the hole as per your need. So we have created the holes on cylindrical face successfully. To watch more videos, please subscribe on my channel. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, we will meet in next video.